A fresh wash and go can go downhill quick if you over apply a heavy oil or cream that doesn't work with your hair type. But Innersense Beauty recently released a dry shampoo that I can actually use on my curls, and it absorbs all the excess oils and revives those flat, weighed down areas. Those of you with fine curly hair can finally rejoice and quickly fix the problem with the Innersense Refresh Dry Shampoo. Find out what makes this different and how I use it on my hair in this video. Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle and this is DiscoCurlstv. If you're new here, welcome. My channel provides tips on how to care for your fine curly hair so that you feel empowered and supported to be the best version of yourself. I post weekly on Sundays and I'd love to have you subscribe and join my community because I do product reviews, curly hair tutorials, DIYs, pregnancy and postpartum hair care, and much more. So for a very long time, I've been on the hunt for a dry shampoo that works well on curly hair. I've used sprays and powders and I just don't like the residue and the powdery feel that it leaves on my scalp. So I really haven't found one that I'm happy about. The reason that I like the Innersense one is because it's a foam, so it kind of comes out like a mousse and it doesn't leave a crazy residue or anything, and it gives me volume. I'm a huge fan of Innersense Beauty products because they use organic ingredients and it's one of the cleanest brands I can find on the market. It's part of my pregnancy go-tos because I don't have to sit here and study the ingredients to make sure that I can use them. Some of the key ingredients include witch hazel and rice starch to pull up oil and certified organic honey to add shine and body. So for the last 3 nights I've been giving myself scalp massages with jojoba oil, and I don't know if you guys can notice, but it does feel like super flat up here and it does have a bit of an oily residue which I cannot stand. So I'm going to show you how this works and makes my hair have more volume. To use this you want to shake well and then add a couple pumps of the foam into your hands. Then you're going to apply it to your roots and massage well. 2 pumps are not enough for my hair personally, but it's going to depend on how oily your hair and scalp are and how long your hair is. Then you're going to let your hair air dry, or you can use a diffuser at the roots for additional lift and speedy drying time. Okay, now that I'm done adding the dry shampoo, I am going to give it like 30 minutes to an hour, just depending on how long it takes to dry, and then I'll be back to show you my results. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes and I just gave my hair a little shake just to kind of boost the volume, and there's a noticeable difference for sure. So this works. I think that anybody with fine curly hair that overuses oils from time to time will really enjoy this. I really love the difference this makes after giving myself nightly scalp massages. It's just nice to wake up in the morning and have volume again. I'd say my only con with this is the size. I think it's too small. I wish it was a little bit bigger. 2 pumps, according to the directions, is not going to be enough for me, especially after using those oils at night. So I use several pumps, as you saw, and I just think that if Innersense is listening, please make this in a larger size because us curly girls might need to use more of it. So in general, for curly girls, I think for 2nd and 3rd day hair, this is a great addition to your curly hair arsenal because it will give you that lift and volume. If your hair is finer and low density, but you still want to give yourself those nightly scalp massages with the heavier oils, this will help you achieve the volume during the day. This is great for the gym bag after doing a rigorous workout. This will help with the sweaty scalp situation. And lastly, if you do a fresh wash and go and you try out a new styler and you realize it's way too heavy for your hair, this is a quick solution to help those roots not look so flat and weighed down. Well, that's about it for this video. I'd love to hear from all of you if you've tried this product, the Innersense Refresh Dry Shampoo, or if you've used another dry shampoo on your curly hair. Let me know how it worked for you down below in the comments. If you're new to my fine curly crew, I'd love to have you subscribe so that you never miss another one of my videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you are properly notified of when I post new content. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.